Hey folks, welcome back to Bones and Brews. Today we're going to make a Frisco Melt sandwich on the old Blackstone griddle. So we got this griddle nice and warm. I took my ground chuck and some ground sirloin and mixed it together. These are about 4 to 5 ounce patties here that we're going to smash on that nice hot Blackstone griddle. What we do is let them get warm on one side first before I start to smash them there. You'll notice off to the side we got a little butter going here as well that's melting. Bought myself some Texas toast bread. Nice thick cut piece of bread that we're going to use for this sandwich. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to wipe down one side of that bread with that melted butter and put it flat down on that Blackstone griddle so we can toast one side of that bread. And then once we get it ready, we will flip it over to the other side. That way we got a nice toast going on both sides of that bread for this Frisco Melt. Those patties should be just about done on one side, so it's time to flip those bad boys over. Once we got those flipped over, it's going to get that Texas toast flipped as well. Look at that, nice and golden brown on one side. So move that over to the side of the griddle there, that bread, so that, and turn that one burner off. We took some yellow American cheese on 2 of those patties, some Swiss cheese on the other 2 patties, covered them there for a moment, and then we're going to start to build our first sandwich. We're going to start with that patty covered in that Swiss, then that patty covered in that American cheese. Next, we're going to take the other side of that sandwich, some of that Texas toast. You'll notice off to the side of the screen here, put a recipe here to make that Frisco sauce if you'd like to as well. I'll put all of that in the description. Wiping some of that sauce there on the top of that toast. And now we're ready to top it off. And that, my friends, is a Frisco Melt made in the backyard on that Blackstone griddle. Doesn't get any better than this.